Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. I just wanted to show you all a couple of ways in which I like to use the miracle plant, aka aloe. So here are some of the items that you're going to need. You can totally substitute. If you don't have lime, you can use essential oil, and if you don't have alcohol, you can totally use witch hazel. So with this pandemic hitting us full force, I just figured out I find a way to make at-home hand sanitizer. It's crazy because when you look at the back of a bottle of any hand sanitizer, you can see that there is a lot of additives and chemicals. So I already added my 3/4 cups of alcohol, and I'm just squeezing the whole lime into the remaining of the alcohol. And I'm making sure I get all of those juices out. So once that's all set, I'm just going to add my fresh aloe juice that I extracted from my leaf, and I'm just gonna whisk it all together, like so. So this whole mixture made me about a cup of hand sanitizer, and I'm just gonna pour it in my spray bottle, and it's that simple. There you have it, homemade DIY hand sanitizer. So this next one is definitely my favorite. As you can see, my hands are extremely crusty, and it's because I'm washing my hands every 5 seconds. So I'm going to show you all how I soothe my hands at home using just a few products. Now this is my favorite body butter of all times. It's so nourishing and hydrating, and it melts right into your skin. I got this dropper bottle. It's a glass bottle from Whole Foods, but you can really use any bottle that you have at home for storage. And these are my handy dandy exfoliating pads. I love these things. So all you have to do is add your fresh aloe juice into the bottle of your choice. And I'm just gonna fill this up all the way to the top, like so. And now this next step is completely optional, but I'm just gonna add a few drops of essential oil of my choice. I chose sweet orange, and I'm just gonna make sure that that's mixed in thoroughly. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a few drops onto my exfoliating pad. And voila. This really helps take off the dead skin, and it really just soothes your hands. As you can see, my hand is already coming back to life. And this is just step 1 of 1. So this next step is super important, and that's hydration. I'm going in with my Noetic body butter, and this product is amazing because it is a universal product, which means you can use it all over your body. It's cruelty-free. The way that my skin feels right now is crazy. You can see that my skin is glowing, my melanin is popping, and it's just hydrated. I will be sure to link this body butter in the description box below if you all would like to try it. So this next step is how I like to clean my aloe before consumption. This is really important, guys. Now I'm not going to use the whole leaf. I'm just simply cutting it in half, and I'm laying it down flat. Be careful when you're doing this next step because the aloe is so slippery and you don't want to cut yourself. So once you remove the jelly out of the leaf, you're just going to place it in cold water for about 10 minutes. So once your 10 minutes is up, you're just going to remove your jelly and add it into another bowl of water for an additional 10 minutes. I like to pat mine dry. I dried it off camera and diced it. So I did 2 different sizes when I diced it. This is the bigger size, and I like to just use these and store them in my freezer if I get a cut or my son gets a cut. And then the smaller pieces I like to use as supplements. Make sure you guys wash this properly. This is the most important step. And I cut it small purposely. 4 ways you can use aloe. Super simple. This is what is bomb right now. Make sure you guys tag me at MindBodyXSoulFood. I would love to see how you guys use your aloe leaf. If there's other ways that you like to use it, please tag me. I would like to see that as well. Thank you so much for watching.